Rare sound.
Just look at the freaking lineup out here today. Got Matt Odom out in the cut, out here washing F350 Wicked Customs leveling kit. On the Toyos, on the stocks. Odom's out here doing his thing. Truck's getting all cleaned up. Got the any level lift out here in the cut. Repping Southern Tire like crazy. Negative 2-inch to 15-inch any level lift. 30x16 Amani forged. 42-inch Furies. Biggest build that I've ever been a part of. We got a full video dropping of this build here in the next couple of days. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that one. That one's gonna be really cool. I'm excited about that one. Got almost a matching truck. Got the Brandon's F250 on the JTX over there. Looking all cute off in the cut. I like that one. Got the old Tahoe on the 16 wides getting all cleaned up for the show tomorrow. Always a big fan of the 16 wides. KG1s, Furies, KG1 jacked, I believe. Everybody loves the Tahoe. Jay Ford ain't been on the channel in a minute. Gotta show some love. Jay Ford's finally getting his truck clean. He ain't got it cleaned in 6 months. He's gonna give me a bunch of crap in the comments. Jay Ford 2614 Jesters American Force. Color matched McGoy's kit, the blue. All the chrome accents, chrome steps. All of it. Love it. Always a fair. Look at these just cheese balls over here. Y'all look hot right now.
Look at my head shine.
Y'all look hot.
It's blinging.
I'm sweating.
I'm a definition of a sweat right now.
You are sweating out here.
Fortnite sweat.
Jeez. I had to come out here and do one little walk around and go back in the AC. I'm dying out here right now. Y'all hit up Denali King's been running it up with the decals. So y'all, if y'all ever, I mean, a lot of y'all ain't gonna watch this video that wanted a sticker. The one video that I shouted out in, I say it a lot though. So if y'all want any kind of decals or anything, especially like the Bread Gang ones, y'all hit up Denali King. He's been killing the decals for us. Makes a lot of decals for the shop, customers of the shop, Bread Gang. You know, so y'all go hit my boy up if y'all need some decals. He's nasty with it.
Gang.
Nasty with
Bread
it.
Gang.
And then we got Philip's getting all cleaned up. Philip loves it. I like the way this turned out. Why do we have, did we put black spikes on this?
But it goes so nice.
It does actually look good. Look at the black spikes on this. Got the fuel forged FF 109s, 2414s, 33s on the leveling kit. On the leveling kit?
With the Denali King banner up there.
On the leveling kit? What?
I told him yesterday. I told him that jump fire.
Yeah, he got the shout out. Yeah, Denali King did the decal work with the holographic Bread Gang. You damn right. You damn right. I'm like, oh, leveling kit. What? I can't even talk today. It's so hot. 2414 on a leveling kit. He just color matched the badges. He's been killing it, man. I love the way the truck turned out. It does look really good. I'm pretty sure my man Stefan has some new decals to go on the truck today too, with a Bread Gang logo for the windshield. Y'all been showing some crazy love to the Bread Gang decals, and I appreciate y'all. I need to get some kind of a website dedicated for it or something. Let me know if you guys want like a dedicated place to go purchase Bread Gang apparel and decals and stuff like that. I know a lot of you guys would like to support the brand. I have Denali King handle all of my decals and stuff just because I hate the back end work and stuff like that. But if you guys want some kind of a dedicated website for that, make sure you guys hit me up. I know that you guys have been wanting some more content of my trucks. I got the little bow tie over there. So I'm pretty sure as early as tomorrow, you know, the last video I put some information about the white truck, the skinny bow tie. In that video we were messing around with the oil because the hood was latched stuck shut, so make sure you guys go check that out. That was real funny. And I gotta pick up my headlights. I got rock lights, new wheel lights come in. I got the Starlight headliner that I need to put in the silver truck. I got a lot going on with the silver truck that's coming up in the next couple of weeks, so I'm gonna start, you know, sprinkling in some videos, especially the white truck. I'm about to start doing a bunch of stuff with the white truck too, so make sure you guys stay tuned, hit the subscribe button, show some love. Bread Gang, the love is real. You know I love you guys. Peak vibes this summer. Peak vibes. Peak heat, peak vibes. We outside. It ain't even, where's Vic at? It ain't even summer yet, but it is summer now and it's hot. You see what you do? You talking about it ain't even summer yet, and now it's summer and it's 110, feels like outside and it's fucking hot. Thanks, Vic.
Some blue Honda.
Look, you came in.
Got the blue cheese.
You were acting.
You got a little goddamn hot wings in there. See what I'm saying? A little hot wing, got a little celery sticks.
You're acting way aggressive today.
The little celery sticks and fucking carrots ain't doing shit.
You want me to start dancing now or what?
Shit. Oh, no.
Jake's always.
30's pulling up. He's like, yeah, I'm clear tissue.
So you time turn.
He's on 42, bro. He's like an 8-inch lift.
And that's the ones we put on?
No, we mounted him, yeah, but that
He's having clear tissue.
he is definitely having
Yeah, he needs you to cut this shit.
It look like he might have
The homie is big.
It gonna look like he needed any lift. Any lift. He needed any lift.
Any level.
That dude's got a $20,000 set of wheels and tires out here on a Saturday morning.
Popping out on a Saturday morning. Quick cash money. Pop out to the show. My man's drinking iced coffee with the Miami floral shirt, riding the damn. Look at you. Don't know how to act, huh? Popping out today. Popping out today. Colt with the any level lift. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I even brought the bow tie out for you today, huh? Oh, freaking. Not one any level lift, but two? But two of them? Not two of them things. I want to see. Hello. Not two of them things. Oh, this one's crazy. Not two of them.
I don't see the light of day. Looking up to higher ground, thinking that'll be your sweet escape. These days gotta schedule the romance. They say that love is a slow dance. A short bike ride to the crib, using no hands. So did it feel like I'm floating? But I'm falling with both eyes closed when I let the world spin. Testing the water, she got my nerves tense. Back when I ain't even have a purpose, I was so eager to learn some things. Anxiety bring out the worst in me. Society paint me as enemy. My making it by that remedy. I'm more occasional, don't do it regularly. Backs under my eyes, weighing down heavily. Mama been worried, the devil allegedly deep in the plan. Subconsciously wanted it since I was 10. I thought I was sharp on my scroll and my pen thinking dead. So mama found shit of them legs. She told me that's not who I am. But nowadays I put on for the fam, see it when I can. I'm surrounded by my feelings, I'm stuck on a Ferris wheel. I bet I perish at 140 acres. She want the horse and the carriage, a porcelain portion of garbage. I talk to the mirror, I know that life's not the fairest. I lost my can, I can't pay off the bills with the blessing. I'm sure I relate to the Reddit page. It's feeling like money is everything. Money is everything. It's everything I need. Till I lay my eyes on you. I don't know what this is, yeah, but it feel like it's real, baby. I don't wanna pretend, no. I just wanna come clear, wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. I wanna see you again. Yeah, young. The thing, this was everything I need, right? Not so fond of change, I'm too caught up in my way of thinking. I get by on me, no, I don't need nobody, yes. I was so naive, somehow I'm still all in on me, yeah, yeah. Way too many times I let the ball drop. Now I'm Steph Curry with the wrist flick, so they cold shoulders never defrost. No deal, but I pre-floss with the money tree in a deep pot. So I'm Cornell Haynes with the rundown. Bitch, I'm all in the field with the cleats off. Everything that I wanted to reach, I had the tunnel vision, couldn't see far. Negative vibes that I feed off got me up and down like a seesaw. All these decoys hit the destroy. Usually keep it poised, but it's ultra violent with the power moves when I deploy. For the real ones, I wanna feel something. Looking for a sign that I might be worth your time. Yeah. When I look into your eyes, it make me feel alive. I don't know what this is.
Posted up outside the show. The Atlanta Expo Center is across the street.
gas in my truck.
You almost put gas. Don't.
Yeah,
Please
'cause I
don't
didn't
put.
realize there was fucking no diesel right here.
Please don't put gas in your You're at 450. Please don't do that, Colton. That would not be good to do today. Colton with the red any level lift F450. It's a crazy day. It's experiences like this that make you feel like another any level lift. It's experiences like this that make you feel like you're living in a movie or something. It's unreal, is what it is to have two any level lift kits together going to a show. You got the Tahoe, Phillip, Jay Ford up here somewhere, wherever he ended up at. It's just it's one of them days, baby. One of them days.
Got my name from it, man. We going live.
Yeah, what you watch the channel?
Yeah, oh yeah, I watched them when y'all just went to Rick Ross. If you post anything lately, I didn't watch it yet.
I've been slacking the last couple of days. I'm gonna post this. I got a video dropping tonight. I got another one I'm gonna try and drop tomorrow, and then I'm filming this one. And I'm trying to. You're one of the first people to see the any level lift that we built in person. So
on the red one?
No, the white one.
The white one?
Yeah, we did the white one.
You took the Rick Ross?
So I got a like a full video I'm trying to put together with that. I'm still waiting on some clips to come back.
Okay.
But hey, I ain't been here like 5 minutes. You're from Ohio?
Yep. Columbus all the way.
He watches the channel.
Yep.
Yeah. That's cool. That's cool. Hey, I just
Mel and Papa. All three of them.
I both of them. Love those guys. I saw Papa
I seen.
a couple weeks ago.
Oh yeah.
But hey,
sure.
I appreciate you showing love. I just want to put you on the channel. I like putting people on the channel.
Oh yeah, it's all love for sure, bro. Be safe.
You're the best. Made my day.
Yep. There.
With the floating caps, though. With the floating caps. thing's huge. 30s and 42s. These are my favorite kind of classic car. It's in red, brushed wheels, chrome lip. What? Oh, it's frame off too. Yeah, you're right. Painted frame, 4-link, 30s and 42s. That thing's huge. I love that truck. Love that truck. That's clean. The black, hey, the black and chrome's really nice. Red and the blue together. Beautiful. Red CIS, rough country bumper. I like the red and black. Red and black clean. Red and black clean. Look at this though. Look at the offset on that wheel back there. That's crazy. Oh, the new Camaro stuff?
Yeah.
That's cool.
I like that.
Look how deep that back wheel is. That's crazy. Hold that for me. I'm just getting up here. Oh! Huh? Ah, I don't need a step. Get out of here. Thank you. The Team Billy guy over there. What up, Sal? What up? Since I can't fly the drone, since we're too close to the airport, can't fly the drone. Some cool stuff out here though, for real. Just so much better than truck shows. Look at that. What are they called? Pinwheels? What are those?
Wire wheels?
Wire wheels, yeah. Forgiato does? I like this, that Ram over there is clean. I like that Ram. I like that Chevy over there. There's a Duramax over here. That's real cool, 128. Saw that one earlier. Much cool stuff. Cool stuff. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Atlanta Expo. I'm all about the love. Yeah, plug yourself. You got a YouTube channel?
Yeah, man. FBE Fat, man. That's FBE Fat, man. Follow the channel, man.
Y'all check out the description below. I'm gonna try and add some stuff in. I'm terrible about remembering to put stuff. But send me a message on Instagram, and I'll shout you out on Instagram.
Say no more, man. Appreciate it.
I appreciate the love. So we had lost Philip for a little while, and I come hop in his truck to feel the AC for a little while, and he's in here watching Jake's Instagram live because Jake's walking around at the show. So like Philip's watching the show, and he's sitting at the show on Instagram live. It's probably not funny to y'all, but it's funny to me.
What is up, YouTube?
He was in here watching Jake's live.
In the AC, bro.
watching. He's like watching the show while we're sitting at the show. They probably don't think it's funny, but I thought that was funny.
That is pretty funny.
It was funny.
That's on 30s? Yeah. They look like 28s. Is it recorded? we're vlogging right now for Alex because he's being lazy, sitting in the truck, soaking up the AC because he's such a hard-working guy.
Didn't know this clip was here until I went to go edit the video, but 100% this is when we were sitting in the truck because it was hot and I didn't want to go outside. But I still love you, RJ and Jake. Thank you.
Yeah.
You know that bike looks good. Anybody behind me, Jake? What's up, dude?
Come here often?
Yo, yeah. Just a little bit.
Shout out to Whips by Wade. Shout out to Certified Car Show. Make sure you guys tap in next year. It was a crazy show. Love meeting everybody. Love seeing you guys. It's always good to get out and show some love to the city. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hit the subscribe button. Let's get this bread.